Hi everyone and welcome. My name is Norma and I'll be guiding you to today's practice. We're gonna start in a seated position, placing your hands on your thighs. We're gonna take a few deep breaths in through the nose. Exhale out through the mouth. Deep breath in. Exhale out. Breathe in through the nose. Exhale out. It's going to start to soften the gaze. Maybe closing your eyes. And let's take a moment here to allowing yourself to be fully here in this practice, in this moment. Allowing the energy to settle. We're going to start to open our eyes. And let's place your hands by your side. Good inhale, lengthen the spine. And then exhale, tuck the chin to the chest. And then from here, we're going to start to circle the head clockwise. We're going to start very slow. Mindfully. And feel free to close your eyes. And then from here, reverse the circles anti-clockwise. One more circles. Now let's come back to the center. Inhale, let's bring your both hands up to the sky. And then on the exhale, you're going to twist to the right. So you're going to place your right hand behind you. Inhale to lengthen. And then exhale to twist. Breathe in. And breathe out. Inhale, come back to the center. Bring your both hands up to the sky. And then exhale, bring it to the other side. So drop your left hand down behind you. Inhale to lift. Exhale to twist. One more breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale, come back to the center. Bring your both hands up to the sky. And then on the exhale, you're going to drop your right hand down next to you. Inhale, extend your left arm up over your left ear. Side stretch. So you're going to want to keep your left knee down to the ground. Okay, let's bring it back to the center. Inhale, both hands up. Exhale, left hand down. Bring your right arm up over your right ear. Again, keep your right knee down. And feel the stretch on your right side of the body. Inhale, let's come back to the center. Both hands up to the sky. Exhale to release your hands. And then from here, we're going to go into a tabletop position. Hands and knees. So you're going to want to keep your shoulders up over your wrist and the hip up over the knees. Okay, from here, we're gonna inhale, lift the heart up, arch your back, and look up. And then exhale, round your upper back and really tuck the chin to the chest and push the floor away from you. Good. Inhale to lift. Couple more times. Exhale to round. Breathe in. Arch and breathe out to round. One more time. Inhale. Exhale to round and push the floor. Inhale, let's come back to the center. And then from here, you're gonna drop the knees, drop the hips down to the heels. Okay. Slowly drop the hips down all the way to the heels. And then if you're pretty open, feel free to open the knees a little bit wider than your hips. And then from here, you're gonna walk your arms forward. Slowly, slowly. And then you're gonna drop the forehead down to the ground. I'm gonna stay here for a couple of breaths. Inhale. And then exhale. Breathe in through the nose. Exhale, send the hip closer towards your heels. Breathe in through the nose. And breathe out. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Nice. From here, inhale. You're gonna slightly lift the head up. And then from here, you're gonna cup your fingertips and then lift your elbows off from the ground. Okay. Inhale there. Exhale, you're gonna walk your hands to the right side. Nice. Okay, from here, you're gonna drop the forehead down to the ground. Breathe in. And breathe out. And one more breath. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Inhale. Bring the head up. And then let's walk the hands to the other side. And then slowly send the hip back towards the heels. And then drop your forehead down to the ground. Breathe in here. And breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Inhale. Bring the head up. And then let's walk the arms back to the center. Nice. And then from here, we're gonna send the hip forward. And then slowly drop the hip down to the mat. Very mindful. Okay. Inhale here. Exhale. You're gonna bring your upper body to the right side. So look towards the right. Good. Inhale. Slowly bring it back to the center. And then exhale. Bring it to the left. Beautiful. Inhale. Come back to the center. And then you're gonna bring the hip back again. All the way down. You're gonna walk your hands back. And then coming into seated position, sit on your heels. You're gonna bring your arms, bring your hands together into a prayer. Let's take a couple of breaths here. Inhale through the nose. Exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. One last inhale. Exhale. Thank you, everyone. Namaste.